What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you another 5 most hype upcoming NFT projects in 2023, but this is going to be part 2 video because I already made one where I talk about 5 best upcoming NFT projects, but few of them already have been minted, so I found another 5 that I believe is going to do very well, and I'm keeping my eye on all of them, and I'm trying to get a whitelist spot on all 5 of them. As usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT projects, cryptocurrency projects, or any kind of projects just in general. And they're not in any specific order, so they're just randomly 5. So first one, it's called Momoguro, and at the time of recording the video they have 64,000 followers, and this project is made by this studio. They have a link tree and they have a website, and then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting amazing engagement on every one of their Twitter posts, possibly also due to maybe collabs or something like that, but every single post is getting just a lot of hype and a lot of engagement. So this is one of them. Also, I'm not gonna go into the details. I'm just gonna show you which ones I'm keeping my eye on, and then you can do your own research on your own if you would like to. And if we're gonna open up their website, as you can see, colors of every sneak peek from their Twitter post is just amazing, and what they're building. And if we scroll down more, they have a YouTube video. I think it's just kind of about this project. And then as you can see right here, this is about the studio and the project. So the team is doxed. If you would like to do more research about them, all the names and some of their Twitter accounts is here. So this is one of them. I think it has an amazing potential. Then the second one is called DigiDaigaku. It's no brainer that their previous collection did amazing, and this project is very hype. Plus, Gabriel, after releasing the first or Genesis collection, he actually gained a lot of attention on Twitter, and his account grew from just, I don't know, from like multiple thousand to 500,000. So this is another one. And if we're gonna pull up their Genesis collection, and as you can see right now, with the 2000 NFTs, collection is almost 13 Ethereum or 12.75. So I think that another collection that they're coming out is going to do very well as well based on this floor price. I can't really predict exactly how well it's going to do, but I'm sure it's going to do very well. Then the third project is called Lost Realm. This is a free mint. This project's been building for a while, and they have a Discord, and then there is another account associated with this project. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they partnering with the different projects like Project Gajira, Kaiju Kings, and more. So this is another one. I think it has huge potential. Then the fourth one is Garbage Friends. So most of you guys already heard and seen this project before. The author of this project is behind Invisible Friends, and we know that Invisible Friends did very well in this space. This actually project should have come out a while back, but I'm not entirely sure what's happened. But they are still building, and they are start updating and making more sneak peeks. And I think once they're gonna finally is gonna launch, this project is gonna do very well. And as you can see, like for example, this Twitter post, this is not even a giveaway, this is just a sneak peek, and it has almost 7,000 likes and 1,500 retweets. And the same thing with some of their other Twitter posts, like this one right here, retweet if you in the garbage. It's not even a whitelist spot raffle or anything like that, and it has crazy amount of engagement within 4 hours. So this is definitely project to follow and try to get a whitelist spot once they're gonna start actually collabing, or I'm not entirely sure exactly how they're gonna be allocating whitelist spots. And the last project on my list, it's called operationSIN. Again, no brainer. If you've never heard of operationSIN, it's backed by Llama Labs, and Llama Labs, it's already very successful projects, and they already have multiple projects built by Llama Labs, and this is just another one that they're building, and they already been building for a little bit. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting crazy engagements on their Twitter posts. Like for example, this one right here, 4,000 likes, 3,000 retweets, and every post also getting a lot of engagement. So I think this project is also has a huge potential. It's not easy to get a whitelist spot, and actually what they're doing, they are collabing and providing access code. What you do then, you take that access code, you go on their website, and then you apply for whitelist spot. Then they're gonna ask you a few questions, and then they're gonna verify. And it's not guaranteed that you're gonna actually get a whitelist spot. So it's not easy, but I think it's worth a try. And also you can check out their website and then Llama Labs. So this is the last one I'm keeping my eye on. I think every single project that I talk about in this video has a huge potential, and I will do my best to get a whitelist spot. And I would recommend everybody try to get a whitelist spot, or at least watch and see how they're gonna do and how they're gonna perform. I think even if we're still in a bear market, I think this 5 project is going to do very well, either for short term, for a quick flip, or for long term. And this is pretty much it. Every project that I talk about, I'm going to leave in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.